Hi friends. Let me take you on an exciting journey into the heart of Stoicism and introduce you to Stoic philosophy. Please support me by subscribing to this channel and liking the content. Also, share your thoughts with me in the form of comments. How to be valued without saying a single word. Introduction. In embracing Stoic philosophy, I've learned that true value often speaks louder through actions than words. By leading through example, I strive to show integrity and virtue in every task. Practicing patience and maintaining composure, especially during tough times, reflects a strength that words cannot convey. I make it a point to offer help without being asked, demonstrating kindness and generosity. Reliability and consistency in my commitments build trust and respect from others. Showing empathy and understanding, I aim to be a pillar of support, offering silent comfort to those in need. Through these actions, I embody the Stoic principles, proving that one can be profoundly valued without uttering a single word. This silent strength and unwavering dedication resonate deeply, creating a lasting impact. Number 1. Lead by example. To be valued without saying a single word, I embrace the Stoic principle of leading by example. Instead of preaching virtues, I live them daily. When challenges arise, I stay calm and composed, showing strength in my actions rather than in my words. I prioritize integrity, ensuring that my deeds align with my values, thus earning respect and trust. Helping others quietly, without seeking recognition, is another way I lead. Whether it's offering assistance or simply being a dependable presence, my actions speak volumes. I aim to be patient and kind, demonstrating empathy and understanding in every interaction. By embodying these Stoic ideals, I find that my silent actions inspire and influence those around me, proving that true value is often recognized through what we do, not what we say. This approach not only garners respect but also creates a lasting, positive impact on others. Number 2. Show kindness. To be valued without saying a single word, I embrace the Stoic principle of showing kindness through my actions. Instead of merely talking about compassion, I demonstrate it in my daily life. When someone is in need, I offer my help without expecting anything in return, showing that genuine kindness comes from the heart. I make it a point to listen actively, giving my full attention to others and validating their feelings. Simple acts like holding the door open, smiling, or offering a helping hand can make a significant difference. These small gestures of kindness not only uplift others but also reflect my inner values. By consistently showing kindness, I create a positive impact that speaks louder than words. This approach helps me build trust and respect, proving that true value is recognized through our actions and the way we treat others. My quiet acts of kindness inspire those around me, making the world a better place, one kind deed at a time. Number 3. Demonstrate patience. To be valued without saying a single word, I practice the Stoic principle of demonstrating patience. Instead of reacting impulsively, I choose to remain calm and composed, even in stressful situations. When faced with challenges, I take a deep breath and approach them with a clear mind, showing others that patience is a powerful virtue. In my interactions, I listen carefully and avoid interrupting, allowing others to express themselves fully. This shows that I respect their thoughts and feelings. By being patient, I make thoughtful decisions rather than hasty ones, earning the trust and respect of those around me. Patience also helps me handle setbacks gracefully, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth. This resilience is noticed and admired by others. Through patience, I convey strength and wisdom, proving that true value lies in how we manage ourselves and our responses. This quiet strength leaves a lasting impression, demonstrating that patience is a key to being genuinely valued by others. Number 4. Be punctual. To be valued without saying a single word, I practice the Stoic principle of being punctual. By showing up on time, I demonstrate reliability and respect for others' time. Punctuality shows that I am organized, disciplined, and considerate. When I arrive on time, it sets a positive tone for any interaction. It shows that I am serious about my commitments and value the people I am meeting. This simple act speaks volumes about my character and builds trust. Being punctual also allows me to be more present and prepared. I can engage fully in the task at hand without the distraction of having rushed. This calm, focused presence is noticed and appreciated by those around me. Punctuality is a small but powerful way to lead by example. It reflects my dedication and professionalism, earning me respect and admiration. Through punctuality, I show that actions speak louder than words, and that being reliable and respectful can make a significant impact on how others perceive and value me. Number 5. Stay humble. To be valued without saying a single word, staying humble is key. In practicing Stoic philosophy, humility allows me to approach every situation with an open mind and a willingness to learn. It means acknowledging my strengths and weaknesses without seeking validation or attention. By staying humble, I show respect for others and their achievements. I listen more than I speak, valuing different perspectives and understanding that everyone has something valuable to contribute. Humility fosters genuine connections and trust because people appreciate sincerity and authenticity. In challenging times, humility helps me stay grounded and resilient. I accept setbacks gracefully, using them as opportunities for growth rather than dwelling on failure. This mindset not only earns respect but also encourages others to see me as approachable and reliable. Ultimately, staying humble is about focusing on continuous self-improvement and contributing positively to my community. It's a silent yet powerful way to be valued, as it reflects integrity, kindness, and a genuine commitment to personal and collective success. Number 6. Listen actively. Active listening is a powerful way to be valued without uttering a word. From a Stoic perspective, it's about being fully present in conversations, showing genuine interest, and understanding others deeply. When I actively listen, I focus on the speaker's words, emotions, and underlying message without interrupting or judging. This demonstrates respect and empathy, fostering trust and meaningful connections. Stoic philosophy teaches me to listen not just with my ears but with my heart and mind. By doing so, I learn from others' experiences and perspectives, gaining valuable insights and wisdom. Active listening also allows me to offer thoughtful responses and support, showing that I care about what others have to say. In today's fast-paced world, where everyone wants to be heard, being an active listener sets me apart. It cultivates mutual respect and appreciation, making me a valued member of any conversation or community. It's a silent yet impactful way to build relationships and contribute positively to my surroundings. Number 7. Respect privacy. Respecting privacy is a fundamental aspect of being valued without needing to speak. In Stoic philosophy, it aligns with the virtue of wisdom and understanding boundaries. I uphold privacy by refraining from prying into others' personal affairs or spreading confidential information. This demonstrates trustworthiness and integrity, fostering stronger relationships built on respect and discretion. By respecting privacy, I show that I value individuals' autonomy and dignity. It allows them to feel safe and respected in my presence, enhancing mutual trust and goodwill. In a world where privacy is increasingly valued, practicing this Stoic principle not only enhances my reputation but also contributes positively to a culture of respect and understanding. It's a silent yet powerful way to earn admiration and appreciation, creating harmonious interactions based on mutual respect and integrity. Any conclusion? In Stoic philosophy, being valued without speaking hinges on embodying virtues like humility, patience, and respect. By demonstrating these qualities through actions rather than words, I cultivate trust, admiration, and respect from others. This approach not only enriches my relationships but also fosters a sense of integrity and authenticity. Practicing Stoic principles silently but effectively enhances my reputation and influence, showing that true value lies in how we conduct ourselves. By living by these ideals, I inspire others and create a positive impact, proving that actions and deeds speak louder than words in earning respect and appreciation. I hope these Stoic teachings are useful and effective for you. My goal is to make your life better and more enjoyable. I will accompany you in this interesting and meaningful magazine.